actually fun.
Light it up. Oh, no hesitation, no concentration. If so, let's go, starting with us. Our producer's putting us in the hot seat this morning with a few questions we have to answer as soon as they're asked.
You first?
Think.
You first.
I don't know. Okay.
You first.
Wait, no? Is me first?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so what's the question, Unique?
There it is.
What's your favorite part of your body? My toes.
Go.
Jody is actually shooting my toes. Next. This is not really.
Finish the sentence. I love it when I'm happy.
Good show. Good job, Nev. Have you been dumped before and by whom? Yes, actually. By somebody that I was with at the beginning of university.
What name?
Sigh. Next question.
All right, Robert.
Robert. I don't know Robert,
Read the last text message you received.
That may not be appropriate. Unique is very risky this morning.
Your pants tight, though.
What does the second part of it say?
Or is it fitted?
Oh. And then what?
Not more.
Okay,
That's all it
just checking.
said. That was the last one.
All
again.
right. Next question.
You too. Oh?
As a teenager, who was your Jamaican celebrity crush? As a teenager, I didn't even have one. Sorry, Unique.
Finish the sentence. I wish I wasn't scared to fly.
Or swim. What's the first thing you do when you get out the shower? Grab the towel and start wiping?
Where?
You didn't ask that, you sicko. Just grab the towel.
Sick.
Grab el towel. Next.
As you asked me the question.
Creepy.
In my dreams, my crush always gives the best.
Unique.
Hey, boy. Hug.
Good job.
Well, make I tell you the
What's the
truth.
lie you told? The one that never just told a while ago. The one that never just told a while ago. I try not to lie, because usually end up in problems. So I find it's easier to just go the route of truth, even though it's harder.
I lied to a policeman the other day.
What did you tell him?
Well, I made the wrong turn, but it wasn't certain that I made the wrong turn. So he asked me where I was coming from.
Next time you get stopped, you say, you're dead,
So he
like dog.
said, where you're coming from. And I lied to him. So I said, okay, bye. Because if I didn't tell him where I was coming from,
you would get a ticket.
So, sorry, officer, but you shouldn't have asked me.
You know, let me tell you how the karma of the universe work, right? You see, the next time a police stop you and you roll down your window, is that said one going to be? Are you going to get 2 tickets?
Well, he don't know that I is him at the light up.
How many times have you been stopped, though?
That's what I'm saying. Him don't know, says him at the light up.
Wow.
What
okay.
is the next? All right, come. What's the next one? If you could appear in a movie, who would you like to do a love scene with? What's your name? Julia Roberts.
I'm not sure that was your question. Was it?
Oh, yeah.
Was it his question? It was.
Beyonce.
It's true it was, because the man was a lie you told.
Yeah.
Beyonce?
Julia Roberts and Beyonce.
Wait a minute, hold on. Julia Roberts and Beyonce or Beyonce?
And. No, not together. But
No, and usually means together.
no, man, not together.
No, you did so you're saying
All right, since you no push, yeah, together. Since you no force me to come out and say it.
A yoga pose inspired by you would be called a curl up.
A curl up. You're such a wimp. I want to go back to the question that you asked me earlier. But what's his mind? Come now.
Next.
Yell out the first word that comes to mind. Right? As first word that comes to mind. When you want to go to jail? First word that comes to mind, no. Lovely.
It's not the first word anymore because you just spent 10 minutes trying to figure out what the first word was. Jubbly.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've done in a pool?
Really? Oh gosh, this was a long time ago. I'm not going to tell you which pool it was, but I had a bit of a stomach issue. I'm going to leave it right there.
You had a stomach issue? So you used the bathroom in the pool?
I said I had a stomach issue and I'm leaving it right there. Which pool, by the way? I'm not telling you that either.
I want up up, so don't go back in.
Is where?
Up and so.
Okay.
Did you use the bathroom in the pool, simmer?
I was a kid. I had to go and
if you could become invisible, where would you visit first and who would be there?
Jeez,
I'm not certain I understand the question. Where would
you had the gift of invisibility, where would you go? And who would you want to be there?
Who would I want to see or who would I want to be with me? Who would you want to be
there?
With me?
No, when you go there to see whatever, who would you want to be there to see?
You. I mean, I want to see what you're up to. I'm a bona fide. So, Mr. Sim, is that what you do? I'm going like it's a decent on television. Is that the yoga pose you were talking about?
You know, you guys are all enablers.
I'm not, it's me, I don't answer the question.
What's the longest you can go without taking a shower?
Is me that? Is my one?
I'm hoping so, because I'm speechless at this point.
No, it's you.
Oh, it's me. You bathe every day. Can go or would go? Can go?
You can go forever without a shower.
If you want. It's just gross. You must bathe every day. That's the question. Next.
I bathe all 2-3 times a day.
What's the way to Neville's heart?
What's the way to my heart? No, what do I mean? What do you mean by that?
What's the way to your heart? What is it that gets your goat?
Love,
what is it that...
Love. And more love. And much
more
love.
But love how? Through deeds, through words, through music?
Through action.
Not a bag of mouth.
Yeah, show me that you love me and hug me up plenty and kiss me and... I don't know what Jody tried to tell me. Jody had tried to tell me, so what's the way to Simone's heart? I know that.
You will at Jamaica. It's too easy.
Yes, I know that.
Prince.
Well, there are a few things.
What are they?
One is shoes, for sure. One is jewelry. One is a certain kind of food. Don't?
Why not must talk people business, so? When it comes... Very good. You know, I'm encouraged. You guys really know me. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Go back to the question about my fantasy.
No, we cannot because it's not 8 p.m.
Unique said we will come back.
And even then it would be too early. All right, let's talk about it.
We're going to take a break. Soon come.
When you come back, you can tell us.